Spencer and I were back up at Squaw Peak. A second go, second attempt, because the first attempt was futile because of the snow. Now we're doing it again with no snow, hoping we can make it to the top. So we're back at the spot where we turned back at, and apparently it's a lot more easier. I'm gonna give it a go now, see I don't die. Looks like we're home free. Now that we are home free, we're actually not. We're bushwhacking a lot. And we have our trekking poles that'll keep on getting snagged. Spencer's just got it snagged. He got it snagged again. What a loser. You know what smart people do? Oh, there we go. Oh, this sucks. Yeah. There's a moose over there. Hey, right in there. She's black. Yeah.